Hi guys, now we will show you the basic step of cha-cha-cha. In this video, it will be very simple video. We will not go in depth with our explanation. We will just dance it first a little bit slower and then a little bit faster, and you can try to repeat the steps that you see. Okay, so this is the basic step for cha-cha-cha, and I will just tell you that we will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, and we will start on beat number 4. So I will count 1, 2, 3, and then when I say 4, this will be our first step. So I will turn my back to you, my partner Victoria will stay facing, and we will start to my right side. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we start. And the next step is you close your left leg and then you make another step to the side. So this is 4 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Okay, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. From this position, on beat 2, I will make a step forward with my left leg. 2. Vicky is dancing a step backward with her right leg. Okay, after this, you transfer your weight back from where you came in the previous step. So this is 3. So let's go from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. So this is half of the basic step already. And the second half is the same, just to the other side. Now, actually, I will dance the same steps that Vicky danced in the first half, and she will dance the same steps as I danced in the first half. So, once again, from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. And now I will go left, 4 and 1, and backward, 2, 3. And these are all the steps for the basic cha-cha-cha. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. And when you finish this, you should continue and dance from the beginning without a break. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. For some of you guys, the rhythm might be a little more of a challenge. It might be a little confusing, especially that we don't start on beat number 1. So you don't have to count the numbers. You can go, for example, and pam pam pam, pa-dum, pam pam pam, pam pam, pam pam pam. Don't worry about the music yet, okay? And the last thing we will show you is how we will dance this step together. Again, I will start to my right side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Or if you prefer, you can dance it in a closed hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Cha-cha-cha. This is the cha-cha-cha movement, okay? Cha-cha-cha. That's why it's called cha-cha-cha. 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 2, 3. Thank you very much. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe, leave us some comments, and we are looking forward to see you in the next tutorials.